First I've sprayed the Pet Me spray. It's a heat protector and it gives a really good shine throughout your hair. It also helps so much with the tangles. So I use this on my hair. I spray it from a distance and lift my hair as I'm applying. So I'm going to do the smaller sections. I'm going to do the underneath of my hair, below my middle, the part in through the back of my head with the smaller barrels, just to give a bit more of a curl. And then I'm going to do around my hairline with the smaller barrels, and then through the top and fringe I'm going to go onto a mid barrel. This way these give me a lot more curl through the underneath of my hair. So we'll do it where you make sure you get the root really dry, and then start to rotate the brush down the ends as you work your way down, and then you'll roll up and heat. Then when you're ready to leave the brush in your hair, you'll just get the grip, secure it onto the brush, and then you just unclip the handle. So now we're going on to my fringe. I'm going to use the mid barrel. So I'm not going to do as much of the curl effect, it's mainly to get the volume and the curl through the ends. Just taking the grip out, and then you'll hold either end of the brush and just roll out of the hair. I'll always brush my curl through and then spin my curl back in. Always work from the bottom, work your way up when you're taking your brushes out.